welcome to another day of exciting opportunities for change as we continue to press towards 30 Days to Greater Self-Love, the Masterclass and Challenge series. We are at day 24. Yesterday, we challenged you to sit by yourself and listen to your soul. Today for day 24, the challenge is for you to visit your doctor and dentist. Of course, if you do regular checkups with your doctor and your dentist, it is an indication that you love yourself, because it means that you want to ensure that you are in the most optimum state of health, and regular checks with your doctor and your dentist certainly augurs well for that. Many of the chronic illnesses, it has been indicated that a main way of ensuring recovery and a much better chance of survival is early detection. Some of you may have already been in the habit of doing regular checks. If you have not been in that habit, the challenge is for you to today, not another minute, today, schedule an appointment with your doctor and your dentist. If you have already been in the habit of doing that, the challenge is for you to sit down and make a list of 5 additional things that you can do to keep your health at an optimum. For us men in particular, those of us who are above 40, one of the things that you definitely want to include in that checkup is your prostate test. I know I'm due for one for 2020. You know, the year is just going along so crazy. I remembered recently that I need to get that done for this year. So that's a biggie for us men. And for the ladies, check with your gynae, and of course, continue to do your regular breast self-examination. It's all about keeping healthy as a way of showing that we demonstrate love for ourselves. Keep at it. Don't let today pass. Schedule that appointment or make that list of 5 additional things you can do. This is Coach TJ once again, helping you to be all that you can and should be, helping you to make that vertical leap from mediocrity to legacy. Get to it. Have a wonderful day. See you on the other side of time in God's will tomorrow.